Hello friends, I hope you are well. This educational video was made by Mehdi Shahraki. In this educational video, you will learn modeling and rendering of a complete cabinet scene in neoclassical style. First, we start modeling the cabinet using the 3dsmax program. Also, this project is a real project. We also see the image of the environment we are going to design. After modeling, we start lighting and materializing using the powerful Vray plugin. And finally, in the last step, we render the scene that we created, where you can see the final image of that rendering. Note that the level of this training is not elementary and you must have previous information. You can get this tutorial from the ArtStation website via the link below. I hope you like it.